This is a video to show you how to do problem 6.23 on the normal distribution. So it says x is a continuous random variable that has a normal distribution. So we write normal, distributed normal like that. The mean is 117.6 and the standard deviation is 14.6. So question A asks, find the probability that x is between 77.9 and 98.3. 98.3. And notice I drew those to the left of the middle because the middle is always the mean, which was 117.6. So I'm trying to find this area. So we need to find two different z-scores, z1 and z2. Sorry, wow, I sneezed. That's kind of scary. Okay, so z1 is going to come from x minus mu over sigma. X is this one for the first z. We're going to use 77.9 minus 117.6. The standard deviation for x was 14.6. Remember, standard deviation for z is a 1. So I'm dividing by 14.6. And my first z-score will be 6.23. My first z-score will be negative 2.72. That's what this is, negative 2.72. My second z-score will come from the next x minus mu, and here's the next x. So we'll do 98.3 minus 117.6 over 14.6. And that z-score is negative 1.32. So what I'm going to do is find the chance that z is below negative 2.72. I'll make it a different color. So I'm finding this orange right here. And that orange, by looking it up in the table, the chance that z is below negative 2.72 is a 0.0033. And for the other one, it's going to give me all of that. So I need the chance that z is below a negative 1.32. Negative 1.32 is equal to 0.0934. And since I need the area in between those two, I'm going to use the yellow and subtract the orange. And so that will be the chance that z is between 2.72 and negative 1.32. And so I need 0.0934, subtract 0.0033. My final answer is 0901. So that's the answer to part A. Let's do part B. Part B asks, what's the chance that x is between, sorry, let me look over here. X is between 85.3 and 142.6. So again, it's good to draw it. Always keep track of what is the middle, because that shows me this one must be to the right of it, while this one's to the left of it. And I'm trying to find all of this area in the middle. So I'm going to call this one x1. That's the mean. That's x2. And standard deviation was 14.6. So in my z table, z has a mean of 0, standard deviation of 1. I need a z1 for this and a z2 for the other x. So z1 comes from x1 minus mu over sigma. 142.6 minus 117.6 over 14.6. That z is going to become 1.71. And my other z is going to come from x2 minus mu over sigma, 85.3 minus 117.6 over 14.6. That other z is negative 2.21. A good thing to double check is every z that's below the middle should be negative, and every one above the middle should be positive. So those are correct. So now let's find the chance that z is below the positive 1.71. So in my picture, it's all of the stripe plus, I'll make a new piece that's yellow. The stripe plus the yellow, I'm going to read out of the table, below 1.71 will give me 0.9564, and the chance that z is below negative 2.21, which is just the yellow, that piece is 0.0136. So to get the chance that it's between a negative 2.21 and a positive 1.71 is by taking that whole stripe plus the yellow, subtract out the yellow, and what we'll get is 0.9428. So that's the answers, that's solutions to problem 6.23.